In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullets in WPS Office. This method is simple and very useful when you want to organize your text clearly, create lists, or make your documents more professional. You will also learn how to add sub-bullet points and arrange bullet points side by side to create a neat and structured layout. To begin, paste the text that you want to turn into bullet points. Once your text is ready, select it and navigate to the Home tab at the top of the screen. Here, you will find the Bullets option. If you click directly on this icon, a round bullet will be applied to all your selected text immediately. If you want to change the style of your bullets, click on the small downward triangle next to the Bullets icon. This will reveal a list of different bullet styles. You can simply select any style from the options to update your bullets. For more variety, click on More Bullets, then go to the Customize option. Under Characters, you can choose any symbol to use as a bullet. For example, you can select a simple ball, then click Insert, and finally tap OK to apply it. To create sub-bullet points, select the bullet you want to convert into a sub-bullet. After selecting it, use the right indent option, which will shift the bullet to create a sublevel. You can repeat this process to create further nested sub-bullets. If you need to move backward to the main bullet level, simply use the left indent option. For arranging bullets side by side, start by inserting a table. Go to the Insert tab, select Table, and create a 1x2 table. Paste the text that you want to format into bullet points into the two cells of the table. Once your text is in place, select it and apply the bullets as usual. This will display the bullet points neatly side by side. You can delete any bullet by pressing the backspace key. To remove the table's outer border, click on the small selection box at the top left of the table, right-click, and select Table Properties. Under Borders and Shading, choose None, then click OK twice. You will see a dotted border for reference, but this will not appear when you view the print preview. Using these steps, you can easily add bullets, create sub-bullets, and arrange your list side by side in WPS Office. This technique helps you organize content effectively and makes your documents look clean and professional. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.